Hello everyone, so I want to show you how my 15-year-old daughter used Curlygirl Full Kit on my natural Anita Baker style. So she first applied the Flawless Hair Shampoo and she used this to scrub the hair. Then after that she poured water. She poured water to rinse off, then towel dry. After she towel dry, she applied the cold wave cream. Before applying, she'll part the hair into four. Then she started cutting the hair small, then apply. After applying, she'll take out the cold wave cream. Then she's washing the hair now. She's washing my hair. After washing, she towel dry. After toweling dry, she applied the super cool booster and rolled. She rolled. So after rolling, this is the fastest method. She covered my hair with this bombs. Then she dried the hair. After drying the hair, she applied the super cool stabilizer and also dried the hair. After drying the hair, she poured water again to rinse off the booster and stabilizer. Then after that, she's now taking off the rollers. So after taking off the roller, she's applying the gel now, the super moisturizer. After applying the gel, she applied the Jerry Coily cream. After that, I style the hair myself. Look how the curls came out. Thanks for